Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. First up are these new dresses from Free Assembly. They have that thicker strap, the plunging V, zip front with the 2 pockets, fit and flares, and then that same fit through the back with the seam detail. They are going to be $28. Also new short sleeve sweaters from Free Assembly. So these have the rounded neckline, it's ribbed, relaxed fit, gold buttons all the way down, has the 2 front pockets, and then the same fit through the back. And this is a black and white stripe, also comes in the solid white, and they're $24. Also new dress from Free Assembly. So this one has that plunging V, the flutter sleeve, elastic through the waist, tears all the way down, same kind of fit through the back. And these are going to be $36. New denim jacket from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, full button, the 2 flat pockets, has the little puff shoulder detail, button on the wrist. This is the 2XL, so it is a little more fitted with the seam in the back. And these are going to be $32. Also new kimonos from Jessica Simpson. So these are open front, relaxed through the sleeve. It has that crochet detailing, nice and oversized through the front. Also has that coverage in the back, the little slit on the side. And they are going to be $29. New sweater dress from Madden NYC. So this one is a crochet material. It has that scallop trim, lace up through the front, a little past the knee, and then it crisscrosses in the back. Comes in the red. This actually matches back to that little kimono we just saw. And then also in the black. And these are going to be $21. New cargo pant from Free Assembly. These look like they're mid-rise. They have this seam detail, flat pockets, elastic through the waistband, and then it has the same through the back with the flat pocket. And they are going to be $26. New skirt from Free Assembly. So this one has that band at the top, pleating, embroidered lemons through the front and back. It matches really good with this little tank. And these are $28. Also new pull-on skirt from Free Assembly. So this one has that elastic waistband, drawstring, flowy. This has functioning pockets or buttons all the way down, and then the seam through the back, and these are $26. They also have a new sweater dress from Madden NYC. This one has the thin strap, plunging V, this little tie, ribbing in the waist, pointel on the bottom, also has that rib trim, and then the squared back. So we saw the white and black. Now they have a new black and beige, and these are going to be $21. New lace dresses from Madden NYC. So they have the thin strap, that scoop neckline, seam under the bust to midi length, has the open back. In the white also comes in the fuchsia, and they are going to be $19. Also new skirt short from Madden NYC. So these have the belt, button zip, this little seam detail for the pocket, the little tab. These are pretty short with the flap in the back. They come in the khaki, also in the black. The black belt has the gold trim, and these are going to be $18. Also new leopard tee from Madden NYC. So these have that squared neckline, has that cap sleeve, it's a stretchy material. In the leopard, also comes in black, and they are $9. New denim from Jessica Simpson. These have the 2 front pockets, a tapered leg, has that raw hem, and then pockets on the back, and they're $30. Also new set from Sofia Vergara. So this one has the mid-size strap, has that squared neckline completely aligned through the front, and then that same fit through the back. The top is going to be $22, and then the skirt is pull-on. It has that elastic waistband, midi length. It's sheer, about probably like past the knee, and these are $26. And they have some licensed ones. There's Snoopy, there's Tom and Jerry. We got Stitch and like Beach, and then a pink Stitch. How cute! It's really cute. I don't really go for Stitch, but it's a really cute one. New chambray dress from Jessica Simpson. This one has the thicker straps, a little tie, seam at the waist. It's flowy, smocked in the back, and they are going to be $36. Also new strapless dress from No Boundaries. So this one has the crochet top, this little tie detail, relaxed fit, has the slits on the side, and then this smocking in the back. And the rust also comes in ivory, and they're $18.98. Jumpsuits from No Boundaries. These have that smocking at the top, elastic with the drawstring side pocket, nice and flowy through the front. Also has that same fit through the back. And the rust and white also comes in the black. And these are going to be $16.98. New dresses from No Boundaries. So these have that thin strap, this V-neck on the tie detail. It does have the pads. They don't have the little slip, but I'll just usually make it myself. How pretty is this multicolor? They only have 2 left in this. And then they also have this rust with the turquoise. Rich likes the dolphins. This is a really cute like dolphins colors, and these are only $12.98. And then right next to that they have this new dress. So this one has that scoop neckline, the ruffle trim, tie detail, seam under the bust, flowy like fit and flare, same through the back, and those are $14.98. Comes in the rust and then also in the white. Sneak peek shorts from Free Assembly. These have the tie pockets, relaxed fit, the same fit through the back, and these are $22. They have white, and then they also have that mid-tone denim. Also new color block denim from Scoop. These are high rise. They have the whiskering, the panel on the side, and then the same fit through the back, and they are going to be $28. New tier dress from No Boundaries. So this one has the thin strap that wraps off front, elastic under the bust, flows with the tier. How pretty. I love the turquoise with the blue. Also comes in pink with the brown, and these are $14.98. We have a new crochet set. So this one has the thicker strap, scoop neckline, the little tie, does have the removable pads, sheer through the body portion but lined in the bust. Shorts have that elastic waistband, the little dolphin hem, drawstring, same fit through the back. The shorts are lined in the blue stripe, also comes in the brown. This looks like it's a favorite. We're near Disney, so people probably stop in here to get their like summer outfits. And these are $14.98. They added these to the website. They're from No Boundaries. They have the crochet top, halter style, textured material, smocking in the back. In the red and white, there's blue, the black and white, and solid ivory. And these are $10.98. New strapless rompers from No Boundaries. These have a soft stretching material. They have the ruching on the side, flowy short, has that same kind of fit all around. Really cute to throw on, dress it up or down. In the red, also comes in black, and those are only $10. New lace tops from No Boundaries. So these have the mid-size strap, scoop neckline, lace up, completely lined. It's squared in the back. In the solid black, also comes in the white, and they're $10.98. New peplum tops from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, the little ruching, the bow, peplum, smocked in the back, in the light blue. Also comes in white, and they're $12.98. How cute are these new red gingham tops? These are from No Boundaries. So they have the thin strap, the little ruche detailing, the lace trim, smocking through the body, and then squared in the back. And these are going to be $9.98. Also new little baby doll top. So this one has the double strap, smocking through the bust, flowy, and then that same fit through the back. I feel like I would like this if maybe it was like a little lower cut. So I'd probably size up and then do like a little pin, like safety pin. But it has that same fit in this multicolor, also in that lime floral. And these are going to be $10.98. Another cute No Boundaries top. I might have to do No Boundaries this week. So just like an all No Boundaries video, because there's so many good things. They have the thin strap, that plunging V, tortoise buttons, a little peplum. Has that same fit through the back. It is open knit. So this is like a black bandeau, those smocked little tube tops they have, and then throw this on top. And these are $12.98. I love these new tank tops from Terra and Sky. They're like so free people. They have the plunging V. It's a super soft material. These are so nice. Let's see. 100% cotton. In the orange, there's that purple, the teal, and black, and they're only $10.98. You could do those with your little shorts. I'll just get the 0X. And just have it nice and flowy. You could size up to and have the length and then do like a bathing suit cover up, but for $10 these are so nice. New Sofia Vergara swimwear. How pretty is this print? The pants have that smocking, they're sheer, nice and wide leg, has a slit. I love this set. I usually don't like a one piece, but how pretty. The gold ring, it's a nice fuller back, and the swimsuit's 36. The pants are gonna be 24. This is another pretty one piece. I don't like one pieces because I have a long torso, or I would, there's like so many cute ones, but this one has that plunging V, the little ruching, that open back. This is from the brand, it says Your Best Look, and they're $32.98. How pretty is this print? It's from Essential Catalina. It has the thicker strap, the little plunging V, ruching. I like the adjustable straps. These are $26.98, but the quality is really nice. I love this print. It reminds me of the 80s. New seamless tanks from Avia. So these have the thicker strap. It's a nice kind of soft textured material. It's not like that gonna suck you in. Has the ruching, and the yellow also comes in lavender. There's green and black, and they're $10.98. And they also have a seamless short. These have that smocked waistband, fitted through the leg. It has the little perforated detail on the side, the logo, and the rust also comes in black, and they're $9.98. New crew neck seamless tops from Avia. So these are super soft, just like the tanks. They have that higher neckline, the little perforated detail, same kind of fit through the back. In the purple, there's white, black, and the lime, and they're $10.98. And then they also have a new short. So these have that smocked waistband. I think this Athletic Works, looks like, yeah, from the tag. Side pocket, nice and flowy. In the beige, also comes in black. There's white and the teal. And they are going to be $9.98. Also new Diet Coke tee. So this one's a little cropped. This is the medium, so it is a relaxed fit. Has that side seam. How cute. These are $9.98 in that same style. They also have Snoopy and then Mickey. They got Mickey hidden here. How cute are these new graphic tees? I think I have to get this one with the oranges and Betty Boop. They have Stitch. There's Strawberry Shortcake. And then what is the beige one? Winnie the Pooh. But I gotta get this one. I think my older daughter is gonna love this. And how cute are these new? These are like a bike short from, there's Winnie the Pooh, there's Stitch. That's what they look like on the inside, and then Mickey, and those are $10.98. Oh my goodness, look at the cute new pajama sets from Way to Celebrate. These always sell out in the best prints. So these have the smaller collar, the little lapel. It's a nice relaxed fit with the shorts, the ice cream. I need this red, white, and blue. It looks like the ice creams are selling out, but I love this red, white, and blue with the pie. They have ice pops, a red, white, and blue ice cream. This one always sells out. They have the little hearts with the rainbow, the roller skates, the carnival, and the two pieces are going to be $16.98. But this print with the cowgirls and the pink, the red, white, and blue always sells out, so I should get that one now. New sleep shorts from No Boundaries. These have that elastic waistband, the French terry drawstring. These are super short. In the pink, they also come in the gray, and they are going to be $7.98. They have new No Boundaries pieces like in the bra section. So these are usually Skims dupes. They have a new dress. It has that high neckline, sleeveless. It's more fitted. The material is always so good. It's 90% cotton. The rest is spandex in the gray. And that one is going to be, doesn't have a price. And they restocked and added new colors in this romper. So it has the thicker strap, square neckline, shorts, and then same fit through the back. Now they have a baby pink, also a new brown color. There's also black, and again, it'll be linked down below. And then crew neck tee. I love these tees with some material. It's 90% cotton, the rest is spandex. Fitted in the new baby pink, also in that new black, and no price. You guys know I love these square neck tanks. I would size up because I notice when I wear mine, it rides up a little bit more than I'd like, and I got my usual size medium, so I should have got the large. But they have the thicker strap, square neckline, super soft and stretchy, in the gray, black, and they have a new ivory, and I think those are $9.98. They also added the brown in these crew neck bodysuits. So these are that super soft material. It's not ribbed, so it looks like up close. Has the thong style black. In the black, there's the brown. There's white and gray. And then new lace trim bodysuit. These have the thin strap, that lace, thong style back, in this fuchsia color, and it's no price. Also new colors in this, like this one's sheer. I bought this in the red. It is very, very sheer, but nice for the price, and they're super soft. So it comes in this new fuchsia, also in the blue. They have black and brown now. I had the red. It looks like they got rid of the red, and these were $9.99. They have lots of cute new summer jewelry. How cute are these new little crabs from Time and True? There's new little dangles with the shells, pink, black, teal. These are usually $6.98 for the special ones. The sand dollars are so cute. They also have all the new Americana accessories from Way to Celebrate. So these little glasses, $5.88. How cute are those? Cat eye, another star. All the earrings. Oh my goodness, how cute are those hearts? These are usually all $5.88. So they have a star, the little dangles, hoops, a set. I don't know, the sets are usually a little more. There's a trio of earrings, the little butterflies, hats, USA and the hoops, red, white, and blue balls, the ice creams with the little charms, the watermelon. On this side they have the fun little headbands, the cat eye, the knotted sequin flag, red, white, and blue gingham, and then a little cowboy hat, and then Sam hat. And here are some more sets. It says these are $5. They have the hoops, this little set, the bracelets, the little straw toppers for your Stanley clips, and then some bows. New flip-flops from No Boundaries. So these have the square toe, the little strap, kitten heel on the back, and they're $19.98. They also have the new slides from, I think these are from Athletic Works, yeah. So they have the round toe, the one little slide, they're completely rubber, and they're only $9.98. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.